Steve is a real estate strategist managing a corporate lease portfolio amounting to $15 million annually. See how Steve finds cost savings by identifying optimization opportunities and makes data-driven decisions in his real estate portfolio using Maximo real estate and facilities. Ultimately, Steve will cut operational costs in the real estate portfolio by 10% over 5 years. This is Steve's tailored dashboard. He can scroll through queries and access frequent tasks in the Quick Links section. Maximo's pre-built dashboards also provide key portfolio insights, and the scroll bar helps navigate to pre-constructed queries. Steve is looking for consolidation opportunities due to the organization's shift to hybrid work models. In his portfolio analysis, he starts by looking for leases that will expire over the next 24 months. He scrolls down to view the building occupancy query. Steve sees that in North Carolina, there's a possibility to consolidate the Greensboro Center and Raleigh Center into the Charlotte-Watson Center. The Charlotte-Watson Center has capacity for the other two locations' combined headcount of 270 people. He then scrolls down to investigate the current condition of the facilities. Steve reviews the building's Facility Condition Index, or FCI value, which is converted into a flag for easier analysis. He also checks the occupancy status of the facilities. He sees that Greensboro and Raleigh, in addition to low occupancy, are also in poor condition. He decides to engage Paul, the space planner, to create the stack plan and floor plans to evaluate the consolidation scenario. Once Paul completes the stack plan for the consolidation assessment, Steve uses the Maximo dashboard to navigate to the stack plans page. Stack plans in Maximo are interactive. Steve reviews the stack plan with Paul for what-if scenarios and adjacency analysis to assess the impact of the move. They visualize how the occupants could move into Charlotte. Then Steve opens the floor plan for the second floor. Steve reviews the to-be configuration of floor plans with each of the business units. He confirms synergies in order to make sure each team can be the most efficient in the space. He returns to the dashboard to check the post-consolidation occupancy. When implementation of the consolidation plan is complete, Steve reviews the results. The headcount from Greensboro and Raleigh have now been transferred to Charlotte. He concludes that this consolidation option is the best plan to move forward with. You've watched Steve successfully use Maximo Real Estate and Facilities to streamline the consolidation process using easy-to-read visuals. Next, see how Steve creates the necessary transaction plan to assess and implement the consolidation strategy. Steve wants to see the financial impact of consolidating the facilities versus the as-is state. From the menu, Steve clicks Create a Transaction Plan to build the necessary transactions. In the transaction plan, Steve clicks on Add Transaction Project to create transactions for both the proposed consolidation and current configuration. This details the activities required for the calculations of the financial impact of each transaction. From the More menu, Steve selects Apply Template to populate the overall transaction plan with additional fields needed to make the comparison. Maximo templates capture customer business processes and apply them in a consistent way to new transactions in a single step. Next, Steve creates two scenarios, one for consolidation plan and another for continue current leases, and assigns the transactions to the corresponding scenarios. Steve selects the Executive Summary tab to go through the final steps of the analysis. He selects the consolidation plan and continue current leases scenarios to compare them. This 5-year analysis clearly shows the savings gained from consolidating versus continuing the leases. Maximo has made the decision easy for Steve and his team. The operational cost reduction results in an impressive 10.7% savings across the whole portfolio. After Steve's team endorsed the consolidation for operational cost savings, the Real Estate Steering Committee approved the plan. Afterwards, Maximo automatically generates a project schedule based on tasks such as terminating leases, capital fit-out, RFPs for contractors, etc., and their timelines. Steve reviews the project schedule for task dependencies, he confirms the plan, and sends out a communication with roles and responsibilities. Success! Steve achieved his cost reduction objective and exceeded the target with nearly 11% savings and $1.6 million in free cash flow. Steve was able to realize the benefit of integrated real estate management functions within Maximo's platform. Steve can analyze the real estate portfolio throughout its life cycle and make timely cost-saving decisions based on real data. Ready to unlock similar success with Maximo Real Estate and Facilities?